welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Bigo Live app and how to go live on it. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Then on your phone, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Once you go to App Store, on the top of your screen, there's search bar. Type in Bigo Live. Once you type in Bigo Live, tap on search. Then you can see Bigo live stream app will pop up on your screen. Tap on it and you'll get a get option beside the Bigo Live's logo. I have already downloaded it, so it's showing open. Tap on that get option and give your iCloud details. And that's how you download Bigo Live on your phone. Once you download the app, you have to now launch the app. Once you launch the app, on your screen at the bottom, you can see there are a few options like live, video, a blue icon, chat, and me. Tap on that blue icon, and tap on go live. And guys, that's it. That's how you go live on Bigo. And guys, that's it. That's how you go live on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.